Okay, today with Jam Yi at his shop, Yi Audio Auto Accessory. So we're going to see the King of Sound car, Best of Sound Unlimited first runner-up, and Master 8000 Champion. Come, let me show you what's inside here. Yep. So it's from Artform, DYNAVIN, and Crossfire. Then it comes with the Artform sub. Come to Crossfire DSP, nicely done. And here are the amps from Artform. So as you can see, it's from E-Audio installation and tuning. So there's a 4-channel Artform amp, low, mid bass, front sub, mono sub, the tweeter, your mid range. That's all. Simple setup, nicely done workmanship. Alcantara amp wrapping, perfect. Now let me show you in detail of these amps. Look at the capacitors. Amazing. This is the mono Artform. That's a 4-channel, and this is also the 4-channel. Let me zoom in closely for you. All these components. And of course, this is a sub. I believe it's a 12-inch. Looks like a 12-inch to me. And have one more front in front there, a front sub. Come, give you a wide angle. Now let's go for the front. Let's go. Okay, so now we are in front of this car. So that's now we see behind there what they have, everything. So yeah, not to forget to go to TikTok. You know, search this fella. You see this picture here. Search him, follow him in TikTok for E-Audio Auto Accessory. You can look for IMJME. Okay, come, let me show you. You follow him, then you can see what's his new updates in his profile or everything. Okay, so now I show you what's in front of this King of Sound Master 8000 Champion and Best of Sound Unlimited first runner-up. It's a triple win for EMA HIP. EMA 2025 HIP 1. Triple win for this car. Come. From here we can see we have a Artform tweeter, Artform mid bass, Artform mid range. Then below is a extended out Artform mid bass. It's a 3-way system. Then as you can see from the side here, come let me show you from here. You can see from the side here, yes, this one here is a crossfire on the off axis. Yep, nicely done. You can see the Alcantara, nicely done work. Yep. So the setup is like this. This mid-range here is on the door side. Then this is on the A-pillar with the tweeter. Yep. Yeah, let me zoom out. As usual, mid-bass is extended at the original place. Dashboard, no speakers, nothing, no crescendo, no nothing. Yep. And then this is the amazing part. It powers, its source is from DYNAVIN Android player. Nobody believe it, but it is true. This is the source. You know, Android player, no DAB, no media player, no nothing. It's just this fella. Wow, Summer Gang. I also like to use Android player. So yep, that's a simple setup. Let me give you a wide angle. Yeah, this is the wide angle. That's all. Come, let's go for sound sampling time. So we are going for Hungry Bird. Let's go.
Around my knees, stuck in sound, moving out of ways. Hey, bird. Oh no, I was just down. Just me. Endless thoughts that bother me. I was speechless. Oh Lord.